yards, go right on the roundabout and take the second exit, then turn right.
When you're going down that hill, again, Black Snap, where there was, it says, give way to oncoming traffic. So we stopped, there was a cars coming. Very good decision. Now you're waiting there. There was another car coming and was the only car left. And you decided to go.
I thought it was further enough away.
Okay, all right.
Was it not?
Well, you're gonna give me the answer in a minute.
All right, go on.
So when you left,
Yeah.
that car who was coming,
I had to stop. Oh gosh. Right, yeah, I get it.
Was it really further away then?
No.
Did we really force him to stop?
Yeah.
So was it a good decision?
No.
You waited so long. Was there any other car behind it?
No.
What did you could have done better then?
Wait.
I'm gonna be harsh with you. I have to give you serious fault for that one, okay?
Yeah, okay.
But just to you remember that if you
So how many serious faults have I got? 5.
2 so far.
Oh god.
But
Don't put this video viral, please.
it's not gonna go viral. Don't worry, it's a good learning lesson for you. Let's focus on this. Yes, if you would have gone and we would not have made him slow down,
Then
would
it
have
wouldn't
been
have
fine.
been okay.
Okay? Right.